Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install Sonic CD Restore for Android, both open game world that you can play mod like this. To use mods, you need to go to save file, go to pause menu and click on dev menu and again load the dev menu, and they have mods here. You press OK or the button so inachieve or active the mods. Doing this you can exit the menu. Start game, reset the game. Join again to show more. Go here, dev menu, stage select. Yeah, have one, Sonic and Tails. Boots one. If I select the character, will have this that like I have Amy, and when you press, but he's not on menu. After you go to select a level, literally crash the game. So anyways, I'm gonna show you how to install Sonic CD for the Android. Sonic CD history to use mods. First, you need to go to Brazil video or other language or other language like Germany, India, Espanol or other, or Japan. So we gonna go to description. We going to this to install the APK, but I already install the APK. I have the folder. I have this folder already. I have the folder already on the server. Like I installed the SDK like these three, and I'm gonna go. So what you gonna do to install? First you need to go to the first link that's made for, and you click on this. So clicking on this, the download is too slow. Just wait until it's finished. So I'm gonna go to this link that I already download, join to the area and get off this area of this file. You need to get this file. You need to go on. You need to go to your file system, find RDSK, go to this and click into this button. This make this, put in this. And when you put this, it's working. So I'm not putting, I only putting in this. So I cancel this. So what happened when you go to this file? It works. You can also install mods. Bye bye guys.